Hey, what's up guys? Just doing another video, a quick one actually. I'll try to get it quick, but I just installed my Fenrir ODE on my Model 1 Sega Saturn. As you can see, pretty easy install. Just connect the ribbon cable that goes up to your original optical drive and plug that in, the SD card, and you're good to go. But I wanted to show the 25-inch CRT that I'm have running. Test it out. Excuse the mess. But this CRT, I picked this up from Craigslist. It was free. I was gonna do a tube swap to my 4-slot there, but I don't know. It just looks pretty darn good. It makes a compelling case against the PVM that's worth several hundreds of dollars. I mean, this was free. I mean, it does run composite, but composite looks pretty good. I didn't know it looked this good. Let's see, let's try out, I don't know, Street Fighter. Let's launch that up. The Fenrir, I don't know if I'm saying that right, that's French, I guess. It works awesome, you know. All of the games I've loaded up so far work great. But let's see if I can zoom that in. You can see I got the composite. It is a mono audio enabled TV, but I don't know, that single speaker does sound good. Let's see if I can skip through that. Look at that. It's just so you guys can see a little bit of it. On my main Ryu, or Ryu, whatever you call him. I don't know. Looks good to me. I mean, man, I can't play with one hand, but just want you guys to see the composite. I think composite is making a comeback, and at the price of a freezies, you know, can't complain. So I would say if you guys see a free CRT on Craigslist, pick it up and hook up your composite consoles to it. I don't know, I'm happy with this. I do own a PVM, a Sony PVM. I'll post up videos of it later, but I don't know, this looks pretty good, and I do like the round tube on this versus the Trinitron tube. I do have a 20-inch also. This is a 25-inch, like I said, sharp. But you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? I like it, and I like the price of free. All right, later guys.